BC will only join the Confederation if there's a trade route made for the rest of Canada.
I can promise you a road.
Okay.
We need you and your surveying skills to find a path through the BC mountains of Selkirk. Well, we'll even give you a check of $5,000 and name the path in your office.
You shall do no. This is ours.
This is Blackfoot territory.
It cannot be stopped, Chief. It cannot be stopped.
And there's some rock up ahead that needs to be taken care of.
Let's grab the coolies. This needs to be done. Hey, one of you! Would you like to double your wages to break some rock up ahead?
Yeah, I do good.
Okay, you come with us. Make sure you don't drop it until you reach the rock. Then run away quickly. Keep going, you're doing okay.
Where the cares are fewer and the hearts are truer in my old Canadian home.
Grab another one.